In a world of diverse landscapes, each biome whispered its secrets. "We are the Earth's tapestry," said the forest, its leaves rustling. "Our diversity is our strength," echoed the desert, its sands shifting. The ocean roared. "Together we balance life." Each biome, unique yet interconnected, taught resilience and harmony. "Embrace differences," the tundra advised, its icy breath a reminder of endurance. "In unity, we thrive," the grasslands sang, waving in the wind. This symphony of nature inspired all to cherish diversity. To support our journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's grow together.